This ATM was giving out free money. No card, no PIN, and people couldn't stop using it. It started with one person, late at night. He tried something unusual, and it worked. The ATM started dispensing cash, again and again. No error, no warning. He couldn't believe it. So he told a friend, then another, and that's when everything changed. By morning, there was a line. People waiting, watching, trying it themselves, and it kept working. Cash kept coming out. Hundreds, thousands, no limits. It felt like free money, but it wasn't a glitch. Every transaction one was being recorded, every face, every withdrawal. The bank noticed hours later the ATM was shut down, but it was too late. Thousands had already used it. Then the messages started from the bank. Return the money, or face consequences. Some people returned it. Some didn't. And that's when it became a crime. So tell me, if you found this ATM, would you stop?